Introducing the LuVision. L for laser, U for micro. With small platform, touchscreen, motorized door, most importantly, the Coaxial microscope camera. This camera is special as it's made for precise placement on extremely small objects. The camera is in line with the fiber optics, making it extremely precise. With the ability to zoom into any area within your workspace. Only under the microscope can its resolution be appreciated. Perfect for small applications, from metal jewelry to a wood puzzle that fits on the tip of your finger, to a grain of rice. Coming in a fiber and a UV version and still capable of doing the same materials as its large counterparts, like AI-assisted photo to 3D in glass. LuVision 3D. Only available at Full Spectrum Laser.